Hello world, guess where I'm at? I'm in Hong Kong International Airport. Today is Sunday, May 12th, 14:25, 2:25 p.m. Came back for more. I got me some watermelon salad and fruit salad and some OJ. Not bad. That's squash. No. So I have a Manila flight at 4 o'clock. Military time, 1640 to be exact. It'll depart in gate 1. Got me more watermelon and fruit salad.
Also still here. You say like this on the health issue.
Thank you. Thank you, you too. I say you too like she was gonna fly. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all. I'm heading to gate 1, so I'm gonna show you how the terminal in Hong Kong looks. All right, and to me, this is the difference between some of the airports that I've been to. First and foremost, you walk on the other side when you're going, right? Usually in the West, you walk on the right side, right? When you're moving forward. Here, when you're moving forward, you are walking on the left side, as you can see. Okay. Let's skip this, man. Excuse me. And as you notice, the pathway is a little bit more wider compared to the JFK Terminal 8, the Miami Airport, and I would say Charlotte as well. And look at the ambience, the lighting. gonna be on. All right, so we're supposed to head on over to gate 1. We just walked 10 gates down so far.
I always do the first thing you talk.
Look how it looks so clean, organized. See that? Water zone.
Please mind your step.
Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. Oh, fuck. Okay, TripAdvisor got a store now. So I just landed here in Manila, waiting on a Grab. It's so hot and humid right now. The flight was good, no complaints. It was good. Cathay Pacific never fails, you know. Always on time. As far as I have taken it and never delayed. Go for that. Yung malaki muna. Pwede na lang sa front. Look, yeah. Good evening. Hello world, I am back with another video vlog. So, I just landed here in Manila. I am in the city called BGC, Taguig. Here in Manila, I'm in the One Uptown Residences, and today is May 12th. 2024. Tomorrow will be 2024, May 13th, which is my birthday. So hey man, send me some shout outs, like and subscribe, and share the video. But anyhow, I'm here to share my Airbnb. So let's get right down to it because I'm a bit tired and I want to get this thing over with. So anyhow, this is the door. That's the door. Would this, I don't know, but it looks high tech. Ample storage spaces, which I'm not going to even touch. You have the microwave, ample shelf spaces. Go. You have a fridge. Okay. I don't think it's plugged in. Let me plug it in. All right. It's plugged in. So it should cool off. So downstairs I peep like a mall, so maybe I buy some groceries, no biggie. This is the your small kitchen area, ample space, shelves. Okay. Some kitchen utensils, pots and pans, and you wanna heat up some water. There you go. All right, so here you go. This is where you place your shoes, slides, and let's move on to the bathroom. A bit small for my taste, but got stuff that you can hang. You know what I mean? Hair dryer, toilet. Gave us, some toilet. And some, plenty of toilet paper. And we have your shower, ample space. I would say this is good. It's not small, it's not huge. I would say, I'm not that picky. As long as there's warm showers, I'm happy. And nothing here. No hooks though. Come on, no hooks. Let's go. You have your dining room table. I know. I already laid out my stuff here. This is where I put all my vlogging items. Got your plates here. Not bad. TV. Okay. Split type aircon. And your sofa, you know, and a full-size mirror. Praise. You know what I mean? It's not bad. You know, you got lighting up here. You know, it's not bad so far. And behind me, this is the division that divides the living room from the bedroom. All right. Takes getting used to. I'm just gonna leave this thing open. Cause look at that. Look at that, look at that, come on. All right, there you go. Let me step back a little. This is the bedroom. It's nice, decent size. Okay, ample space on the closet. Thank you, because I'm gonna need it. Ironing board. 3, 4 hangers. Another split type on top of the desk. A little nice chair. This is definitely where I'm going to do my editing. And you got a little view. You have the Mitsuko Shi. I think that's a mall. Okay, you got your little lamp. All right, I don't even want to fool with it. Nightstand, lamp. This is how the bed looks. All right. I mean, simple. I would say this is queen size bed and your trash bins. There you have it. That is it's not a hotel review. It's more like I would say just a breeze through, or, you know, a showcase of the unit here at One Plaza Residence here in BGC, Taguig, Manila. I hope you like it. I hope whoever's watching, I can inspire, okay, for you guys and girls, all right, to visit a country, to travel. Hey, you never know. You might like that city. That city might help you grow in life. Who knows? If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any comments, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Okay, now once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.